Hey guys, this is an HDMI splitter adapter from HBAVLink. The purpose of this device is just to let you run two devices off one source. For example, off one Roku box or a Netflix box. You can run two different TVs, or if you want to synchronize the sound bar with your TV and you want to connect it through the HDMI. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what's in it. We have the cord that connects to the splitter and into the wall through this adapter. And this is our splitter right here. This is the back of it, front of this unit. On the listing, you'll see it's like a double decker. It's not, it's just, this is what it looks like. It just shows you on the picture that there's the front and the back. So this is what the device looks like. To connect it to the power supply, have the unit powered on. HDMI in is going to be the HDMI cord from the source Xfinity box in my case. So I'm going to go ahead and connect that right next to the power supply. And now we're going to connect the two devices, two TVs here. So this one will go to my bigger TV, and this will connect into the smaller TV. Now you got to make sure that you select the correct, see this one popped up, so that's where it detected this connection. So let's go ahead and select that for the input. So you can see a synchronized picture on both TVs. This HDMI splitter is pretty simple. You can hide it behind your devices. Straightforward to operate. Great item overall.